Essentially, you want your hand to belong, your hand. You want the whole of your hand through here to belong to here, to belong to here, to belong to here. You see what I'm doing? There's this slight pressure, but it lengthens you this way. You want it to belong to here, you want it to belong to here, you want it to belong to here, all the way up to here, from here. So, if I work here, 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 these are carpal bones, but I think of this area through here and through here, like that, like that, like that. But with my own hand, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. That's what I'm doing. I'm going da, da, da. But I'm doing it really sensitively. I'm going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now as I start to say 2, it starts opening. 3. 1, 2, 3. Now as I say 1, 2 starts opening. As I say 2, 3 starts opening. Before I even want it to open. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you feel it doing this? So that's working with your head and your neck, with your hands. Usually, technique says work with your hands through your head and your neck. They both work. When you do this, you train your hands. Just like if you kept moving in the pelvis, you would train everything in the pelvis to respond to your desire. So while you're typing, keyboarding, half-hour work, you set your timer, half-hour work, and then just sit there like this. You can go like this if you want to, and you go 1, 2, 3. 1. See, 2 starts right. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. You're doing this. You're going back. 1, 2, 3. Look at your hands. Look at this hand. Look at this hand. This is the hand I would want to touch me. I don't want this hand. So just change this hand now. Do it without me. 1. Yeah. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just sit there silently. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're opening it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Both hands. 1, 2, 3. Listen for what happens through here. 1. Yep. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're just opening your pelvis now.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Amazing.
3. 1. I think it's quite a discovery. Nobody does it but me.
Yeah. Oh.
Now, if you went over and started typing, you would be back here, here, and your hands would be open. But if you were teaching on a regular basis, giving several lessons a day, you know, because you will do that at some point.
Mm.
You could start your morning off by sitting down and giving the 1, 2, 3 direction, Triadic Resonance, and just working with your hands before the person shows up.
Mm.
And while you have your hands anywhere on the person's body,
Mm.
you can do 1, 2, 3. They don't know you're doing it. If I put my hand right here, I could sit here. I mean, the person would wonder what I'm doing, and I could work with my hands. Now you can work your hands this way, but this way tends to open here more. If the hands are like this, it won't open as much. If your hands are like this, you're open this way. Most people are this way. So if I want to use my hands here, and I want to take you back up and down, I can put my hands here and go 1, 2, 3, 1. See? I've been doing it for about 3 years, so it happens like that. I mean, all I have to do now is think of it. And it happens. And I would come here.
Mm-mm.
Now there's more of you available as you sit up. So you can just, when you put your hands on someone, anywhere, 1, 2, 3, work with yourself, 1, 2, 3. Start to put your hands on somebody.
Mm.
They would have to accept the fact that you're sitting quietly for about a minute. You could say that. I'm going to sit quietly for about a minute. And then you would practice Triadic Resonance.
Mm.
And then you would start working with the person. I mean, you especially do that in the training course because people will listen forever. And we can easily do that. So this is more effective than this. This will release you. You do it on yourself right now and watch what happens. Go 1, 2, no doing. Barely think about it. It's an intention that you have to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And as you say 1, 2 will start to move. And as you say 2, 3 will start to move, especially 3. So it is 1, 2, 3. There. And you keep doing it. It takes a couple to get started. By the 3rd or 4th one, you're doing it. And you're moving through here, there, here, 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 and here. And you're freeing through here, and you're freeing through here. And it's very silent, it's meditation.
Oh.
But it will give you an open palm, or metaphorically, an empty palm. An empty meaning I'm not holding on to 15 minutes ago. All the things that I picked up, I let go. They're not in my hand anymore. They're in my brain, but they're not ready to act in my hand. The coffee cup I picked up is not there. The faucet that I turned off is not there. The garbage that you empty is not there. What you want is you there, for them.
Wow. It's just such a,
It's a way of life.
oh, it's just such an amazing pattern.
I think so too.
Mm.
And if you do this, you'll do that, it'll do that, it'll do this, it'll do this, and it'll do this.
Wow. Surprise. Oh.